If you listen to old myths or misinformation, you wouldn't know that modern manufactured homes are stronger by design than conventional housing construction. A little common sense would tell you it's true, but we will show you a dramatic video of just how tough factory-built homes are. The video clip you are watching is a dual-module home being placed in the prop wash of a C-130 Hercules aircraft. This home and the one that follows were both installed to coastal Wind Zone 3 standards. You can see some loss of shingles and other minor damage which would occur on any house, but the home remains structurally intact. The odds are some 5 to 10 million to 1 in your favor that you won't die in a tornado this year if you live in a mobile or manufactured home. In fact, you're 70 times more likely to die in a bathtub than in a mobile or manufactured home in a windstorm. A tornado typically is on the ground for about 7 minutes or less, but the home you'll see here was placed in 105-mile-an-hour winds for about 30 minutes. That's more than 4 times longer than a typical tornado stays on the ground. But the manufactured home structure remains intact. Imagine pulling a conventional site-built house off its foundation and trying to move it down the highway at 60 miles an hour. You just can't do it. But that happens every day with modern manufactured homes. Manufactured homes in transit may buck headwinds of 10 to 20 miles an hour or more for hours at a time and still arrive at their location with only minor adjustments needed. Tornadoes tend to hit rural areas more than towns or cities. Most mobile and manufactured homes are in rural areas. This explains why older mobile homes built before federal standards were established end up in some weather reports. What the facts in this video prove is this: properly installed modern manufactured homes are stronger than ordinary conventional site-built houses. Joplin, Missouri, and other tornado incidents like Edmond, Oklahoma, and Wichita Falls, Texas, reminds us that the only completely safe place to be in a tornado is a windowless underground room. If you can't be underground, a small windowless room is a backup safety option. Today's manufactured homes truly are stronger, smarter, safer, stylish, and offer major savings. Please check back to watch other new videos we will add to this series. And share this website link with your friends, family, and associates.